Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do quick back to school hairstyles. So what you're gonna need is some water, brush, and some elastic. So let's get started. Your hair, um, you want your hair 90% dry. So do a quick pass in your hair. And then the other side. Then it's gonna take all your hair to one side. And then you're just gonna start right here and do a regular 3 braid. Switch to times, braid it 2 times. So then get apart a piece of this hair and braid it, and then again and again till you get like right here. There you go, and then you're just gonna get it into a side ponytail and just elastic. So there you go. It's a simple way to do it. A nice hairstyle. So now for this hairstyle, you're just going to need this brush. I'm gonna show it to you right now. This one. You're just going to make a line like from the side, and then you're just going to put get some hair from like right here. Just grab a piece, and then you just wait. Just going to grab a piece of hair from the there. So then you just grab some more hair from behind your ear. The rest, just grab it. So here it is. I got some hair behind my ear and some in front of my ear. Okay. You just grab the rest with an elastic. Okay, so then just wet your hair. This one like 70% dry. Okay, then you're just going to grab your hair, brush it, and put it to the other side, but hold it. And then you're gonna start from right here. Start and making a regular 3 braid. Just make it 2 times, and then start grabbing some hair from this side. So it's kind of a hairstyle is kind of difficult. It's like the one we did. It's just that it's from the top, so it's more difficult. Show you guys how I do this. So then when you don't have more hair from here, just start braiding it as a regular one. And just do it all the way down. It doesn't matter if you left out some little bit of hair, because you're going to do something with the other, right? So there you go. And then just take off the elastic. And there you go. This is it. Or you could do just to your side and just grab it and like hide it with a white pin or something, a pin, so you could hide it and it looks more prettier. But I just prefer having it like this. So see the braid coming here? So that's good. Let's all your hair down. So yeah, next hairstyle. Do for this one is the same thing from you compare, but you don't compare from here. So you just make it a regular braid, but going this way. Okay. So I just got it. So if you want that, just go like this. And like stop in the middle. And then grab it with the elastic. There's two ways to do this hairstyle. You can do this and pin it down, or you could just grab it in a ponytail and just grab it. So yeah, I don't have this humongous elastic, so yeah, you can just spin it down. Next hairstyle. Last hairstyle is like, it takes 1 minute. It's kind of simple. So what you do is one to the side and do it, put it into a loose ponytail. And then you just make like a hole right here and get it. And then you're just gonna put your head like right here and just twist it away. So this is what I did. It's into a loose ponytail. I grab a hole and just grab my hand, got the piece, and flipped it. So there. So, and now I'm just gonna show you the braids that I usually have. So, I'll be right back. My night routine. You want 100% dry hair. So then just take this headband and just do it a hippie way. Hippie! Good. So just grab a piece of hair from here. Just make it aside. Put it up. Just grab from here and pass it down. And when you finish that, just grab another piece of hair with the other hair and do the same thing. So up, grab, down. Up, grab, down. And it's not really difficult. It's overnight, and I always actually do it. up, down, up, grab, down, up, grab, down. So then, just want to do the other piece. Up, wait, up, up, grab, down, up, grab, down. Then just do the same with the leftovers. And then you could just pin it. So there you go. Just wait it overnight and you'll have some beachy, curly hair. So bye. See you guys on my next tutorial. It'll be some different kinds of hairstyles that I just learned. And please subscribe me, 2 thumbs up. Well, you can only do 1. Okay, bye. See you guys.